场3号候机楼进港。北京与休斯顿的时差为13小时。现在是北京时间星期二上午4点30分。机舱外的温度27摄氏度，81华氏度。飞机还将滑行一段距离，请您保持在座位上并系好安全带。请将您的手机处于关闭状态，直到飞机完全停稳，可将灯光调亮。全体机组成员再次感谢您选乘星空联盟成员中国国际航空公司航班。我们很荣幸与您共同度过了一段愉快的旅程，期待与您再一次相会。祝您在北京愉快，并度过美好的一天。再见。Welcome to Beijing, ladies and gentlemen. They have just landed at Beijing Capital International Airport Terminal 3. There is 13-hour time difference between Beijing and Houston. The local time in Beijing is 4:30 a.m. on Tuesday. The temperature is 27 degrees centigrade or 81 degrees Fahrenheit. You are required to remain seated with seatbelt fastened until seatbelt sign is switched off. Please also keep your mobile phone switched off until the aircraft comes to complete stop. Thank you for joining us on this trip. We are looking forward to see you again in the near future. Thank you from Air China. Number Star Network. Have a good day, Beijing. Goodbye.
First class cabin, Air China. Thanks for watching, guys. Got a picture. I want to get myself together here. Alright, I gotta go. Sorry, I can't take the rest. I gotta get